Right, hello. Now, this will be a bit different. First of all, it's unscripted. And second of all, unfortunately on Thursdays and Fridays, with both college and work, I have absolutely no time to make videos, and I'm pretty much busy from 9 in the morning till 11 at night, with an hour for dinner or so. So, rather than doing anything too big, I figured I'd make a tutorial on how to export videos for YouTube in sort of the best quality. Here's my Attack on Titan video I made before. Obviously I exported that in 720, but this is sort of showing how I would do it now that I know exactly what to do. So when you're on your timeline, obviously here it is, you're going to want to click File, Export, and then obviously Media. And this will sort of open a window. First of all, I'd always recommend H.264. It just exports the best. I use it for short films and that sort of thing. Second of all, down here will always default to sort of match source preset. However, I'd recommend changing it to YouTube 1080p or 720 depending on what resolution you're going for. I did this for my first and fourth video, and it worked great when it came out. Came to the rendering of visuals on YouTube. Always allows you to drop to 1080p. From there, I'd also recommend clicking Use Maximum Render Quality, and also render at maximum depth. After that, click Export, and you should have yourself a good looking video. Again, sorry for the next 2 days. It's just my schedule. Especially Fridays, but I'm going to be changing that at work, so next week should be a bit different.